Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need a charged phone, active mobile data, and an allowed tethering plan. First, check battery and data usage so you won't be cut off mid-setup. Next, open Settings and go to Network and Internet on Android or Personal Hotspot on iPhone. Tap the Hotspot option to begin. Make sure you set a clear SSID and a strong password. Once done, confirm the hotspot is discoverable so your laptop can find it. Now configure security. Choose WPA2 or WPA3 and create a strong password so strangers can't leach your data. Then pick a band, use 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for faster throughput if your phone supports it. On your laptop, open Wi-Fi, scan for the SSID you created, and connect by entering the password. Once connected, verify the laptop has internet access. Finish by optimizing. Enable data saver or restrict background updates on the laptop to stretch your allowance. If the laptop won't connect, toggle the hotspot off and on, try airplane mode on the phone for 10 seconds, or restart both devices. That often clears DHCP or routing hiccups. Make sure the phone's hotspot timer or client limit isn't blocking new devices. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm tethering permissions and potential overage charges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.